How to hide photos on Instagram without deleting. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there is this method that is called archiving, which will let you to remove that particular photo from your feed, but it will not delete it. You can also access it and retrieve it whenever you want. So in order to do that, go to your Instagram, then tap on your profile icon. Here I will show you by simply archiving this post. Tap on the three dot. Then tap on the archive button, and here you can see this post is no longer available here, but if you want to still see it for yourself, tap on the menu bar, go to archive, drag down and then go to post archive, and here you can see the post that I just hid from my profile. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.